All right, and we're off. So today I'm going to be talking about PhotosRevive, which is an application that you can use to colorize your old photos. So say you have a photo album with old black and white photos, you can use this to add color and life back into those. So normally it costs $20 in the App Store, but I'd recommend you get it on a subscription service called SetApp, which you get 200 plus amazing apps in this one subscription. And if you use my referral, you can get 1 week free, and it costs like $10 a month. So this is basically the application here. It also comes as an iOS app. And a quick side note, if you are trying to specifically add color back into your, say you have an album lying around, then I'd recommend Genius Scan. You're gonna have to manually scan every photo, but Genius Scan is the way to do it. It's a free iOS app. And then this comes as an iOS app as well. So here it is. So when we click open, it's gonna be here. Let's browse some examples. I don't have anything, I don't have any black and white photos on this computer here. So we're just gonna use some examples. I really cannot decide on one. Okay, my boy Arnold. Let's do this. Choose, colorize all, colorize. There's Albert Einstein. Quick side note, why is Albert Einstein and Arnold like two opposites? For some reason I see them as opposites. Anyhow, there it is. That's basically how it works. I hope this has been helpful, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.